Hello guys, good afternoon. Welcome to the channel Learn with Ruby. For today's topic is article writing step by step. Article writing. An article is a piece of writing written for a large audience. The main motive behind writing an article is that it should be published in either newspaper or magazines or journals, so as to make some difference to the world. Objective. An article is written for the following objectives. It brings out the topic or a matter of interest in the limelight. The article provides information on the topic. It offers suggestions and piece of advice. It influences the readers and urges them to think. Article discusses various stories, persons, location, rising issues and technical developments. Current issues, problem faced by the world, etc. can be written. The basic outline of an article writing format is heading / writing, byline having the writer's name, body, it should be 2 to 3 paragraphs, conclusion, end opinion, recommendation, anticipation or an appeal can be written. Ingredients of writing you can see of an article. Title of the article, next to that writer's name should be written. Body should have 2 paragraphs. One is about introductory and second is about the descriptive paragraph. Additional information if needed you can give. Conclusion, ending part of the article is it in your hand. Think of the topic you want to write the article about. Only after you have decided the topic you can go ahead. Undertake the further steps here. First, target audience. Identify the concerning reading group. Purpose. Find the objective or aim of writing an article. Collect and select. Gather as much information as possible. Also identify the details that are most significant. Next, organize. Arrange the information and the facts in logical way. What comes first, what comes next. While writing an article, always use proper grammar, spelling and proper punctuation. Use vocabulary skills. Keep the introduction of the topic catching, interesting and short. Discuss the opinion and the matter in an organized and descriptive manner. Sample you can see here with the question I have written. As you can see, the format of an article consists of the following parts. Number 1 is heading or title. Number 2, byline means the writer's name can be written. Next, number 3 is body of an article. The main part of the article should have 3 to 4 paragraphs. Number 4, conclusion, ending paragraph of the article with the opinion or recommendation, an appeal to the reader or an anticipation must be written. So following is one example which is shortly I have written. If I have written complete, then the video would be so lengthy. In many parts of our country, girls are still discouraged from going to school. Consequently, a sizable section of the population is deprived of education. Based on this, we have to write an article on about 150 to 200 words on education of the girl child in. As you can see, for education I have put one column and next I have written girl child. So this is my topic or headline. By XYZ I have written, you can write your name. In many countries including India, the girl child is discriminated against from the early stage of her life. Because of this, many girls are not allowed to get education, either in their childhood or after a certain age. This is the first introductory paragraph. And the next paragraph, so first paragraph is over. For the second paragraph, I have written some hints. Based on that, you can write. Write about rural condition, poverty of the people, priorities given to boy child, and many girls quit studies due to domestic responsibilities. Such as, you can put the question, what changes will come by educating a girl? And then you can answer to yourself to this above question. So like that 3 paragraphs are completed. Now 4th one is about the conclusion. And write about government schemes like Sarva Shiksha Abhiyan, scholarships, other policies in detail. Like this, your article is completed. Thank you so much.